Hello guys, welcome to the video. Nikola Tesla is a man of mystery himself. So I have decided to take only 3 different things of his inventions which were considered to be most conventional and earth-shattering invention of all time. Before his death, Tesla wanted to finish few of his projects and give it to the world. Even though he is dead for decades, Tesla's inventions are still surrounded by mystery for only one reason. People are not able to achieve what his thoughts were and how to use it in the current world. Because without Tesla, we would still be stuck with DC current. Let me start the first one with the dream project of Tesla. Yes, the dream project of Tesla was always wireless energy. In 1901, Tesla secured $150,000 from a financier named JB Morgan to build 185 feet tall mushroom-shaped tower on the northern shore of Long Island, capable of transmitting messages, telephony, and images to ships at sea and across the Atlantic Ocean by using Earth to conduct signals. As the work began on the structure, which Tesla named as Wardenclyffe Tower, Tesla wanted to adapt it to allow for wireless power delivery, believing in his experiments on radio and microwaves that he could light up New York City by transmitting millions of volts of electricity through the air. Morgan, however, refused to give Tesla any additional funding for his scheme. However, I want to explain one certain thing here because, as shown in the movies, Tesla didn't start this project as small as it is shown in the movies. This project was in a complete hill surrounded specifically for Tesla's experiments, and about $150,000 in the year of 1901 was used. From this, you can know the importance that was given to his project. And there are speculations that Morgan cut off his funds when he realized that Tesla's plan would have crippled his other energy sector holdings. So let us be clear that Tesla's hard work and wireless energy to the world did not happen because of one particular man's desire to save his stocks. It was not Tesla's failure nor his inability. It was all based on one man's desire to save his own particular savings. After all this drama, Tesla abandoned the project in 1906 before it could never become operational. The Wardenclyffe Tower was dismissed and dismantled in 1917. Everyone thinks that the free energy or the wireless energy was Tesla's dream project, and after his failure from this project, Tesla retired from the world of science. Or that is what the movies has shown us. But let me give you the facts. Although wireless energy was his dream project, it was not his best view of the future, nor his last project. After the Wardenclyffe Tower was closed, Tesla used his time in the next project of his own, which he named as electrically powered supersonic airship. And this is the project Tesla wanted to give to the world before he leaves the world. What is the project? Yes, let me give the info to you. From the time Tesla was a boy, he have always been fascinated with the idea of flight. Combining his knowledge of electrical and mechanical engineering, he began to think more about aviation after the failure of Wardenclyffe. In an article in the July 1919 issue of Reconstruction magazine, Tesla discussed his work on developing a supersonic aircraft that would travel 8 miles above the surface of the Earth and generate speeds allowing the passengers to travel between New York City and London in 3 hours. Tesla's concept called for the aircraft to be powered by electricity that was transmitted wirelessly from the plants on the ground, eliminating the need for aircrafts to carry fuel. The power supply is virtually unlimited, as any number of power plants can be operated together, supplying energy to airships just as trains running on the tracks are now supplied with electrical energy through the rails or wires. And believe me, these were Tesla's actual words. Just imagine how the world would be if we can travel from London to New York in just 3 hours, and also any airplane in the world would not have to carry their own fuel. And Tesla had this technology developed in his mind in the year of 1990. Let me go to the next one. Tesla's death beam. Yes, Tesla's creative mind continued to spark new visions even in his late life. On his 78th birthday, He told the New York Times that he had come up with the most important invention, one that would cause armies of millions to drop dead in their tracks. Invention: a military weapon that could accelerate mercury particles at 48 times the speed of sound inside a vacuum chamber and shoot a high velocity beam through the free air of such tremendous energy that it will bring down a fleet of 10,000 enemy airplanes at a distance of 250 miles. It was the press which named it as Death Beam, but Tesla considered it as Peace Beam that would foil attacks by airplanes and invading armies by saving lives by acting as an invisible Chinese wall, only a million times more impenetrable. Tesla offered his particle beam weapon to numerous governments, including the United States, but the only country to show interest was the Soviet Union, which even conducted a partial test in 1939. And let me give you a fun fact. After the death of Tesla, during the peak time of World War, every country tried this weapon using the documents produced by Tesla, but none of them were able to achieve even 1% of success. So next time when someone tells that Tesla died due to his failure in his dream project of wireless energy, don't believe them. Say that he had earth-shattering 2 more inventions which were not supported by anyone but himself. Let me know in the comments if you want any more information regarding these inventions or the life of Tesla. See you in the next one. Until then, cheers.